What is good, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be talking about the one and only Tesla stock and help you guys better understand the price action. I'm also going to briefly go over what I believe is going to happen for next week and everything you need to know, because there are some important things to discuss. Because right now Tesla's been green for quite a bit of time, and although some people are saying that there might be a pullback, I'm going to explain why that's nothing to be worried about. Now, before I get into any more details, I do have to mention a couple of very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner, so please do not take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, it benefits the entire Tesla community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to get a free Neo share. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So I do apologize if my voice sounds a little bit different. I kind of have a sore throat right now, and also I am recording in a different place because it is a weekend and I have been out, but I do want to actually make this video before the trading week really kicks off. So here's the important thing. As you guys could see, if you look at the 2-hour candles, Tesla's been just going up and up and up and up and up and just ripping to the moon. And I'm still very bullish. I do think we're going to run to about the 920s very soon before anything big happens. Now, I'm very bullish. However, some people, and I'm sorry, let me say this first. Before I talk about what other people are saying, I'm very bullish. When I say I'm bullish, I'm not just talking about a day-to-day basis. There are going to be some red days, okay? Be prepared for that. But over the long term, from the macro analysis, I see us just going up and up and up for the next upcoming weeks. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys when I talk about this thing running to the moon, and that is what I believe is going to happen. Now, before this thing runs up, though, there are people that have been talking about something we're noticing in the SPY. Let me actually pull up the SPY if I could find it. It's right here. So with the SPY, there aren't any gap fills, but we are in this ascending wedge formation. So many people are anticipating that we might actually have a bit of a pullback once we get to maybe 447 or maybe around 450. And the SPY may drop maybe $10 to $15 before this thing really takes off. So the thing about Tesla is, sure, that's a possibility. I'm not sure if it's going to happen on Monday. I doubt that. But in the later days of the week, we could pull back a little bit. But the problem is it's very hard to make that call because, look, on Monday, should be a good day. Tuesday, we have this coming out. Tesla's expected to announce their first delivery for the Gigafactory in Berlin. That's going to be absolutely massive. And the Gigafactory Berlin is just so amazing. It's a very bullish piece of news. So for that reason, this is what I want to tell you. I think we're going to run up. We have some room to run, but we may dip a little bit if the market starts to dip. Tesla's going to probably remain at a pretty high number, though. It's not going to drop too hard. I think 900 is becoming support. We could go as low as the $880 to $880 range, I would say about there. And then once we dip, it may last like a day or two, and then boom, we're going to continue running right back up because we have more and more bullish news coming out for the upcoming weeks, from what's happening in Germany to the grand opening of the Texas Gigafactory. That's going to be absolutely massive. I'm very excited for that. So these are the two main possibilities. And I'm going to go over this one last time. Sure, Tesla is most likely going to run up, test 925. And let's just say that somehow the market reverses and we do end up dropping a little bit. I don't see Tesla dropping too hard. And just don't worry whatsoever. Because, yeah, it could drop a little bit. We had a lot of green days. A healthy pullback is just normal. And like I said, 880 to 880 range should hold up. And once we get there, these are now going to act as support. Once we get there, I see a very big bullish reversal. So right now my charts aren't showing that. I'm not sure if it's going to happen on Monday. I highly doubt that. And then Tuesday should be good too, but maybe in the later days of the week we might start to see that. If it happens earlier, then so be it. But my main argument and my main thesis right now is just do not panic, do not worry. Slight pullbacks for a day or two are normal. And once they come, we're going to continue running up just the way we are. I'm still very bullish. I'm not worried whatsoever. Guys, this thing is going to run to the absolute moon. I'm still very excited. Now, anyways, I want to thank each and every one of you for listening. And I do want to announce one last thing. So I want to do a little bit more of a technical analysis on this. I'm going to actually look at technicals in a little bit more detail. just to give you guys more compelling evidence. And if you don't really want to see that, you're free to just leave from here. But here's what I'm seeing. We're seeing the 1348 EMA crossover, right? This is indicating that we're running up. We're seeing a small curl here because we're hit by stronger resistance as we go up. I do think 925 could maybe be some keen resistance. I do think we could actually break it a little bit. And I do think the dip is possible. There's a possibility it won't even affect Tesla because we have so much bullish news for the next 2 to 3 weeks. I mean, it's a really tough call, but like I said, be prepared for it. Right now, the indicators aren't showing a sign of it yet. If you look at the RSI, some people have talked about the fact that RSI is very overbought, right? Like right over here. And the thing about that is when we ran up to 1200, we just kept going. And the RSI showed we were overbought for many, many weeks. Like every day it was overbought, overbought, overbought. And this thing just kept going up and up and up and up and up. I don't know if it's really going to do that. It definitely can, considering all the big things coming out. But if there's a small pullback, don't worry. Like I said, don't worry. Nothing to be worried about. And I also want to talk about this. So in the past, and I could show you, this is what I was talking about, right? The RSI is showing this. From October, it was oversold, 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 up until November, an entire month. So don't let that just scare you into thinking it's about to like drop because of that. I do think we're gonna have a slight pullback, maybe. It could happen, but I'm not scared about that. In fact, if it does pull back the key level of support, that could be an opportunity to buy some leaps. If you want to trade some options, it's up to you. Like I said, it's really up to you, but just another opportunity. And I want to look at this real quick. Hold on. Let me see what the volume is showing. Yeah, so we're getting some good, healthy candles. Looking better. It's not that great, but it's still looking a little bit better. Definitely looking better than before. It's improving. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm very excited for the next few weeks. I also can't wait for what the upcoming months are showing. You could see that in the Chinese Gigafactory. It's getting better and better and better. Their facilities are also improving. That's the big thing that was making the news. And we're expecting a big, big, big boom in sales for Tesla in China very soon. And then Europe is coming. North America is getting bigger. They have 2 gigafactories in North America. This company is just gonna kill it. Anyways, I want to thank you all so much. Have a great, great, great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Tesla to the moon. And remember, if there's a slight pullback, if it lasts a day or two, do not worry. We will recover quickly. Thank you, and peace out.